Okay, so Danielle, let me do a quick story. In Korea, there is a root vegetable that grows very plump in the winter. As the weather gets colder, the colder it gets juicier and tastier and just everything better. And do you know what that is? It's the Korean radish. As we Koreans do well, we're gonna pickle it and turn it into a delicious kimchi. Oh, 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 oh. So this is a one full-size Korean radish. Use half of this. You see where there is the border between the green and the white. It's really tough because they're really strong and sturdy. Do a quick peel. This bit here, I'm just gonna chop it off. Just put one finger on the edge. You're gonna plant your flag. Cut it down like you mean it. Yeah, very good. Do you see that? Good cut. Bad cut. Just like the sandwich, cut off the ends and turn it into a square. Apply the same finger technique. You see? Chop. Twist it aside. Same technique. And then just break it. This is not a Jenga game. Don't forget about the end pieces. Show them love too. Guys, we're gonna use some coarse salt. If you don't have it, just use regular salt. Half a cup of coarse salt. Spread it around. Give it a mix so that everything is all even. Let this rest for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes is up. We're gonna give it a quick stir. So there's gonna be water at the bottom. So just make sure that all of them are coated. Give this another 10 minutes. First thing, we're gonna use fish sauce. If you have the Korean anchovy sauce, use that. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1, 3. In. 3 tablespoons of Korean red chili flake. 고춧가루. In. 3. Half a tablespoon of minced garlic. In. Half a tablespoon of sugar. Final secret sauce is the Sprite. Instead of water, you're gonna add a little bit of carbonation. Adds a little bit of sweetness with a touch of lemon. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons. 2. I'm gonna give this a mix. Let's give it a taste with your 4th finger. This is exactly how it tasted for my mom when she made it. 진짜로. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds to top it off. 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna wash this off now. Make sure to get all the salt pieces out and just let it get off excess water. The last step left is just mixing these two together. But before you do that, take a taste of this. It tastes salty and refreshing at the same time. Just add 1 spoonful at a time instead of dumping it all at once. And see the change of color. Maybe you don't like it to be too spicy, in which case you don't have to use all the sauce, right? Gonna add my 2nd large spoon. Let's give it a shot. So all of the flavors are very sharp at first. It's spicy, salty, kind of that fishy sauce taste too. But we're gonna let it sit here overnight and then everything's mixed well together when you check tomorrow. Since I'm Korean, I'm gonna add a little bit more red. Now it's really got the color. Okay, so this looks good. Put some plastic wrap over it. And the last thing you wanna do is poke a few holes. Boop-doop, boop-doop, boop-doop. And with these 4 boop-doops, we're gonna let them sit overnight or at least 12 hours. Alright, here's our baby, and good morning everybody! Look at all this juice that has come out of the radish. The sharp flavors from yesterday turned into a spicy, sweet, and refreshing taste. So now we're gonna move this into a Tupperware. Don't forget to pour all the kimchi liquid as well. And we're gonna be patient and keep it in the refrigerator so that it turns cold. Okay guys, now it's cold. Pour a little bit of kimchi liquid on top. I'm Korean Radish Kimchi. Ready to meet you. Ta-da! It awakens the 5th sense of your mouth. See you later! Oh yeah, guys, don't forget you have the other half of the Korean radish. And try to make a new batch and fine-tune it to your own taste. A little bit of ginger if you like, or maybe less fish sauce if you don't like it too much. And remember to just have fun. Adios, need to do the washing.